Well, third gen Johnson here. Got the old Camaro rolled out of the garage today. I'm going to try to finish wet sanding all the little spot filler stuff I put on there and finished the hood scoop finally. I had put it on there years ago and never really finished it. I just sprayed some flat black paint over it and really couldn't see the imperfections with it, but I figure if I actually paint it a decent color, might as well finish the hood. So that's what I'm doing today. I'll try to get it done and try to get some primer on the front of it. I'm going to try to get this old crutch started up today and moved. Been working on it off and on when I had time. It's not really a serious project. I did do a little bit of interior work in here. I made some brackets and stuff where I could bolt some Camaro seats up in it because the bench seat was really crappy that was in there. Had some rust in the floorboards, and I used some fiberglass and sanded the floors down real good and put some fiberglass in there and then painted everything. I used some of that undercoating on these floors. I don't know how well that'll last, but it looks alright. Took all the cracked up dash pad off, and all that's left was just a metal shell, and kind of digging it. I think I can work with it. I think I can make something cool out of it. But anyway, that's just another little project I got going on. It's covered in crap from these oak trees. Just got a little 350 Chevy in it. Got some flat top pistons and just a mild cam. It's only like 440 lift or something like that. Maybe 260 duration, I can't even remember. But the fuel in the tank is crappy, so it'll run for a little bit and it plugs up the fuel filter and loses pressure and dies. So I think I want to get a fuel jug and attach to it and see if it'll run off of that, because this engine ran fine in a car I had it in, but once I put it in here, it don't want to run right. I'm pretty sure it's a fuel issue. But anyway, let's get started on it. Well, I got a fuel tank rigged up here. Got a little bit of fuel in it, about a gallon or so. I'll pinch off that return line so I'm not pumping fuel out of the jug and right back into the tank. So I need to drain the tank. The old washers and vice grips trick. I'll pinch that off so that fuel won't be going back in my tank. Let's give this thing a try. It's been sitting for probably 2 months, I guess. Well, folks, I got some of the primer done on it, enough to find all the little imperfections in it. Now I just got to go over it and fill a few more little chips and places that I missed. Maybe sand it one more time and spray some paint on it. There's a few places that I couldn't see until I got some primer on it, and it kind of showed up. Mainly where I had fiberglass that hood scoop on. But overall, don't look too bad. Good luck with your hot rods and let the gears turn and the big tires burn. 3rd Gen Johnson.